Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for box truck business. The first thing you will need to do is go onto wix.com, as that will be the platform that we'll be using to create our website. The reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly and easy to use. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After tapping on Create on Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then from there, you can type in box truck right here. So you could type in box truck, or you could type in trucking company, and you can see the different options. For example, you have trucking company, you have also truck rental company, truck dealership, and so much more. So let's say, for example, we were to select trucking company, then we're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and you can see the dashboard is loading up. Once it loads up, you can enter the name of your site. So for example, I will call it Test Trucking. Then you will tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can select the goals of your site. So for example, promote a business. You can also use it to sell products. If you plan on selling physical or digital products, you could do that. We'll also be able to offer services. Then we'll tap on continue. Then from here, you can see the recommended apps. So we'll select booking, as this will allow our clients to book us online. If you plan on selling products online, you can select online store. You could also select blog if you plan on writing any articles. And you can also select portfolio to upload your work if you want, or you can select Instagram feed. But I will leave it as is with only booking. Then I'll tap on continue, then tap on continue to set up. After tapping on continue to set up, you will be redirected to the dashboard once more. Once on your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to hover over catalog. From here, you're going to select booking services. And this is where you'll be able to set up the different services that you would like to offer your clients. So for example, we can tap on start from scratch. Then from here, let's say we would like to offer consultation. So we can type in consultation right there. You could also add a cover image by tapping on add image. Then you could select the buffer time and duration. So let's say our consultation will last for 30 minutes and we'll be offering the consultation for free. Right where you see price per session, you can tap right there and you could select free. Then you will tap on save. After doing that, you can add more services. So you could tap on add new service once more and then tap on start from scratch. And then let's say, for example, the next service that we'll be adding will be delivery. So we can type in delivery right here. And again, you could upload a cover image. You can add a description. You can set the duration. Then you can set the price, whether it is a fixed price, varied price, or custom price. Then you'll tap there and you'll set the price. After you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner once more. And you can continue adding more services that you plan on offering. And also, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on booking calendar, this is how your calendar will look, as you can see right here. And to set up how you'll be able to get paid, you're going to tap on getting paid. After selecting getting paid, you'll be able to connect PayPal and so on by tapping on connect payment method. Depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options that you can offer. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to tap right where you see Jamaica and change it to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I'm now able to offer a whole different set of payment options to my clients. I'll be able to offer WIX payment, And if I were to tap on see more payment options, I'll also be able to add Klarna, Afterpay, and so much more. So it does vary depending on the country you're located in. And keep in mind, to accept payments using the WIX platform, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plans are quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month. And you'll also get a free domain name. Now, after doing that, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on pick a template, and from here you'll be able to customize how your website looks. And you're going to tap on search all templates in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could type in trucking. Then you can select trucking company, for example, and you can see some recommended templates right here. And let's say, for example, I were to select this one, I could tap on edit. After tapping on edit, all you'll need to do now is start adding your own personal touches. So you're going to give it a few seconds while it loads up. Once it loads up, from there, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. So let's do that real quick. Then you'll be able to better view your website. So we're going to tap on plus 50%. Now, to start editing your website, all you need to do, if you'd like to change the header section, for example, you can tap on it. Then you can tap on change header design, and you could change the header design if you want. You can also edit the text by tapping on the text right here. We could edit the text. So I'm going to change the text real quick to Jason's trucking. Let me do that, as you can see right there. And now when we scroll down, we can change this text also by tapping on it. You could also change the background image by simply selecting the background and tapping on change background. Then from there you could tap on image, and for example you could choose to upload an image, or you could choose to search on Wix for a copyright free image. So let me do that. I'm going to type in truck. Then let's say, for example, I were to select this image, then tap on change background in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see that the background image has now changed, as you can see right there. And it is as easy as that to edit each section on your website. And if it is a case that you would like to add an element that you don't see on your website, so for example, let's say I would like to add a call to action button right here. All I would need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there I could hover over a button, and by the way, you can see that there are numerous elements that you can quickly add. Now after hovering over a button, you can see the different type of buttons that I can add. And let's say, for example, I would like to add this button. All I would need to do is simply drag and place it. After I've done that, I could tap on change text, and I could change the button text. Then scroll down and I could tap on choose a link. I can either choose to link it to an internal page by selecting page. Then I could choose the page that I would like to link it to. Or another thing that you could also do, if you don't want to link it to an internal page, you could choose an external page right there. You could choose to link it to a phone number or an email address. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done. Then you'll simply close this. After you're finished, you can edit each page by going over to the top left hand corner and tapping on home. You can tap on, for example, book online. You'll be able to view all your pages right here. So you can select the page that you would like to edit. After you have done that, you will be redirected to the page, and just like what I showed you earlier, you can tap on quick edit and you can start editing your website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and if it is to your liking, you'll tap on publish and your website will now be live. Thank you for watching.